Power of visualization. As we all have understood that power of visualization is very important. Today we will understand how to visualize the things, how to visualizing power works. So many don't know about how powerful our imaginary power is. World successful people, if we see, they have used their imaginary power, visionary power very intelligently and achieved the success. Their goal, their vision, everything is clear, and hence we call them visionaries. Mind's imaginary power, emotion power get shapes when we set them as a goal, as our visions. Whatever we can think, we have power to achieve that too. Whatever we imagine, we create a vision of that subconsciously. And that imagine we can transfer to reality. And that is the reason whatever things we see around us is once someone's imagination. They created it that we use today. They have visualized things and transfer it to the shape. Our wishes, our desires are comes from our thoughts, and thoughts energy get transferred to subconscious mind. If you think about becoming a rich, that thought transferred to our subconscious mind, and subconscious mind started working on it. This way your desire get fulfilled. We should always have a wish list so that subconscious mind gets signal to achieve it, work on it, and we can easily fulfill our wishes, because wishes create thoughts and thoughts convert into imagination. Imagination convert that to visualization. We should visualize what you want. Big house, then visualize that house, their interiors. If you think you should have a lavish car, then visualize it, the desired color, the comfort of that car. If you want money, then visualize the amount what you desire to have. This is the main formula of visualization. You should feel it, visualize it, think about it with present as you have it already. You may feel by only thinking can we become rich? Yes, there is one book of Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. This book, if you get, then read it. In that, it's elaborately mentioned how you become rich just by thinking power. It's on us how we should think. Always think positive. Make this as your lifestyle. Think positive. Think what you want. Try to connect to universe. Ask for what you want. Visualize what make you happy. Assume good things. Assume that you are in your favorite destination for vacations. Assume that you are in your dream house. These positive assumptions, positive visualization will work, and your dreams will come true very soon. Our subconscious mind understand our feelings. So, if you assume that you have achieved what you want, then your subconscious mind will understand your feeling and work to fulfill this. Use your visualization power and fulfill all your desires. Here, we all get connected and give positive vibes to each other. To be successful in life, visualize the success and be successful.